So let's do some trading. I trade with small stakes. I use £10 stakes to illustrate one important point. If you cannot make money with £10 stakes, you will not make money with £100 stakes or £50 stakes or £500 stakes. You have to learn the basics. You have to understand why your trade is going right or wrong and move forward. Okay? So I use small stakes to illustrate this point. If you want to learn to trade the way I do, then make sure you click on the link in the description, or jump over to tradingonbetfair.com to learn how to trade like I do and how to make actually winning trades with any size stake. All right, but for now I'll jump in and start trading. Okay, so here we go. We're at Haydock, and these types of races are quite dangerous, purely because you can see there's two short price favourites that are neck and neck in price, more or less, and these two will bounce off each other. And you can see the traded range here is huge, right? So it means that normally speaking, with these types of horses, when the price moves, it moves quite a bit. So make sure you don't get caught on the wrong side. And always use smaller stakes on these if you're a beginner, because if the price runs away from you, you very quickly get in a sort of 10, 15, 20 tick loss. Even though the price increments are quite small, it still stings and it really knocks your confidence. So at this point, I'm just going to have a little peek here and see what I can do. At this point, there is no. I'm going to wait until the 5-minute mark has passed, just so that I can see the influx of money coming in to see which way the price might move. So you can see the third favourite here is taking some money, but we'll see what happens. So I'll pop in just a couple of trades here on the second favourite, maybe. You can see that they're both in the middle of the ranges, more or less, and so it's a difficult place to enter. You can see the trade range is huge here, so this type of thing is quite tricky. I will actually put in a few trades here on the third favourite, just on a scalping basis. So if it does come up and touch this, then it'll hopefully scalp out a 1 or 2 ticks profit. As I said, I trade live, so if I do miss an opportunity, it's purely because I'm thinking, talking, and recording at the same time, so it can be a bit tricky sometimes. But here you can see there is money coming in now for the favourite here. Some huge chunks of money coming in there, like 5k. So the favourite does seem to be coming in a bit. So what I'll do is I'll jump on the back end of this favourite here, second favourite here, just to try and scalp out a few ticks as the price bumps up and down, up and down. I do feel that this one is going to drift out, so I'll probably put in a few late trades here, just because I do feel the ultimate direction of this one here is going to be that it's going to drift. Also with only 3 minutes left here as well, so we'll see how this goes. You can see the horses are just making their way around. So now you can see the price has gone against me. So I'm not going to panic too much. I'll put a stop loss down here, just in case it does run away from me completely. But you can see that the price is just bumping up and down. There's no real direction in any of these horses. Hopefully these trades here get caught and get filled, but we'll see how this goes for now. So you can see here these scalps here should get taken here. There we go, that's the first one. And the next one. So that's good. I'll probably just do that again. I'll probably just keep scalping out a few ticks here, because I do feel the ultimate direction here of this one will be that's going to keep drifting slowly but surely. But you know, the journey will be up and down, up and down, up and down. But I think ultimately this will keep drifting. So you can see the first price has been taken here over on third favourite, and it's been matched straight away, which is good. I'll jump in and do that again. And with a minute and a half to go here as well, so you can see it's taken there as well. And you can see now it is drifting. So ultimately, I should have gone with my gut instinct here, because I did feel that's going to happen. But you know, it's not a big deal. The fact that I called it, that's what I said was going to happen, and it happened. So that is a good thing. I just didn't get my trades in. So at this point, you know, I'm not going to chase this. I'm not going to try and sort of catch up, as it were. I'm quite happy just to leave this, and I'm happy that I actually made the right decision. As you can see here now that this one here is on drift, and all three of my positions have been taken. Hopefully it doesn't continue to drift out, because that will be quite annoying. But at this point you can see it's been taken. I'll move this up here just to be, you know, just to make sure it gets taken. Because with only 60 seconds left here, this point is just, you know, just get out. There's no point in hanging around. So we can see here it's a £1.87 profit from using £10 stakes. Very straightforward, very simple, and like I keep saying in all my videos, it's not about the profit. If you're a beginner, it's about you making the right decisions. Okay, read the market, stay in the green. Okay, use small stakes until your confidence increases. Okay, because if I was using £100 stakes here, this would be £18 profit. Okay. Or £50 stakes, I'd be £9 profit. So you can see by using small stakes, you very quickly build up your confidence, and you can move on and start gradually increasing your stakes. Okay. So right now I'll just move on to the next race, and I'll keep trading.